is being stimulated during exercise? A. Adrenal, B. Parathyroid, C. Pituitary, D. Thyroid. The correct answer, thyroid. Question number 2. Which of the following glands secrete a hormone that enables the body to produce T cells? A. Adrenal, B. Parathyroid, C. Thymus, D. Thyroid. The correct answer, C. Thymus. 3. The organ that makes estrogen and progesterone is the blank. A. Hypothalamus, B. Ovary, C. Pineal gland, or letter D. Vagina. The correct answer, ovary. Number 4. Which of the following glands produce hormones that controls the calcium levels the body? A. Adrenal, B. Parathyroid, C. Pituitary, or letter D. Thymus. The correct answer, parathyroid. Question number 5. Which of the following glands produce hormones that controls the heart rate and breathing in times of emergency? A. Adrenal, B. Pancreas, C. Pituitary, or letter D. Thyroid. The correct answer, adrenal. Number 6. The hormones secreted by pancreas are insulin and blank. A. Adrenaline, B. Estrogen, C. Glucagon, D. Melatonin. The correct answer, glucagon. 7. When you are running to stay away from danger, what gland is being stimulated? A. Adrenal, B. Pineal, C. Pituitary, or letter D. Thyroid. The correct answer, adrenal. Number 8. It refers to the body's master gland because it controls the activity of most other hormone-secreting glands. A. Adrenal, B. Parathyroid, C. Pituitary, or letter D. Thyroid. The correct answer, pituitary. Number 9. Which of the following is not true about the function of the endocrine system? A. Controls sexual reproduction, B. Collects sensory input from the body, C. Maintain homeostasis, or letter D. Regulate growth. The correct answer, collect sensory input from the body, letter B. Number 10. What gland is involved if the person's blood sugar level becomes unstable? A. Adrenal, B. Pancreas, C. Parathyroid, or letter D. Ovary. The correct answer, letter B. Pancreas. Number 11. The nervous system uses electrical impulses to send messages through neurons, while blank uses hormones to send messages to the target cells through the bloodstream. A. Circulatory system, B. Endocrine system, or letter C. Nervous system, or letter D. Reproductive system. The correct answer, endocrine system. 12. What is the purpose of the thyroid gland? A. It releases insulin and glucagon to regulate sugar level. B. It releases thyroxine and insulin to stimulate growth. C. It releases thyroxine and calcitonin. Or letter D. It releases adrenaline to prepare the body for action. The correct answer, letter C. It releases thyroxine and calcitonin. 13. What is osteoporosis? A. It is a condition characterized by imbalanced blood sugar. B. A disorder characterized by apparent lack of aging. Letter C. A disorder characterized by impaired growth. Or letter D. A disorder in which bones become fragile and breakable. The correct answer, letter D. A disorder in which bones become fragile and breakable. 14. What do you call a rare condition that causes abnormal growth in children due to the decrease in the production and secretion of growth hormones? A. Diabetes, B. Dwarfism, C. Gigantism, or letter D. Goiter. The correct answer, letter B. Dwarfism. Which of the following shows a correct pairing of a dysfunction and the involved endocrine gland? A. Diabetes ovaries, B. Dwarfism adrenal, C. Goiter and thyroid, or letter D. Osteoporosis pancreas. The correct answer, goiter and thyroid. The ability to reproduce begins at blank. A. Adolescence, B. Adulthood, C. Childhood, letter D. Infancy. The correct answer, adolescence. 17. Menstruation is a sign that a girl is blank. A. Already menopausal, B. Already pregnant, C. Capable of producing offspring, or letter D. Not capable of reproduction. The correct answer, letter C. Capable of producing offspring. 18. Menstruation is a discharge of blood from the blank. A. Fallopian tube, B. Ovary, C. Uterine wall, D. Vagina. The correct answer, letter C. Uterine wall. 19. An egg may be released from the ovary through a process called blank. A. Dilation, B. Fertilization, C. Gestation, or letter D. Ovulation. The correct answer? Alright, that's ovulation. 20. What is considered as the ovulation day for regular menstrual cycle? A. First day, B. 14th day, C. 20th day, or letter D. 28th day. 28th day, the correct answer. 21. Which of the following produces ova and secrete estrogen and progesterone? A. Hypothalamus, B. Ovary, C. Pituitary, D. Uterus. The correct answer, letter B. Ovary. Hormones affect various processes in the body as they regulate the activities of organs, tissues, and cells. Which of the following statements is true about female hormones? They blank. A. Act in a very small amount but estrogen must be dominant. B. Are sometimes released by the organs. C. Cause pain and pelvic cramps, or letter D. Trigger headaches. The correct answer, letter A. Act in a very small amounts but estrogen must be dominant. Hormones affect various processes in the body as they regulate the activities of organs, tissues, and cells. Which of the following statements is true about female hormones? A. They act in a very small amounts but estrogen must be dominant. B. They are sometimes released by the organs. C. They cause pain and pelvic cramps, or letter D. They trigger headaches. The correct answer, letter A. They act in very small amounts but estrogen must be dominant. 23. Which hormone thickens uterine lining, the endometrium, in preparation for implantation and inhibits FSH and the LH? A. Estrogen, B. FSH, or letter C. LH, or letter D. Progesterone. The correct answer, letter D. Progesterone. Which hormone helps controls the menstrual cycle and stimulates the growth of eggs in the ovaries? A. Follicle-stimulating hormone, B. Luteinizing hormone, C. Progesterone, or letter D. Testosterone. The correct answer, that's A. Follicle-stimulating hormone. 25. In the female human reproductive system, fertilization normally occurs in the blank. A. Cervix, B. Fallopian tube, C. Uterus, or letter D. Vagina. The correct answer, letter B. Fallopian tube. 26. Which refers to the period which occurs in females if no fertilization takes place? A. Puberty, B. Menopause, C. Menstruation, or letter D. Ovulation. The correct answer, A. Puberty. 27. Physiological processes are commonly moderated via two distinct feedback mechanisms, the positive and the negative feedback. Which of the pairs of events and feedback regulation is incorrect? A. Childbirth positive feedback, B. Lactation positive feedback, C. Menstruation negative feedback, or letter D. Ovulation negative feedback. The correct answer, letter C. Menstruation negative feedback. During the first half of the cycle, which feedback mechanism keeps levels of FSH, LH, estrogen, and progesterone relatively stable? A. Combined, B. Negative, C. Neutral, letter D. Positive. The correct answer, letter B. Negative. 29. Which birth control device is best used for safe sex? A. Abstinence, B. Condom, C. IUD, or letter D. Pills? The correct answer, letter B. Condom. 30. Menstruation is a monthly occurrence. When will there be menstruation? A. When the egg is not fertilized by a sperm. B. When the egg is released from the ovary. C. When the egg meets the sperm. Or letter D. When the egg reaches the uterus. The correct answer, letter A. When the egg is not fertilized by a sperm. What is nervous system? A. It is a part of the human body. B. It is the body's control system center. C. It regulates both body hormones. Or letter D. It transports blood throughout the body. The correct answer, letter B. It is the body's control center. 32. What is the other form or other term for nerve cell? A. Cancer, B. Ganglion, C. Mitochondrion, or letter D. Neuron. The correct answer, D. Neuron. This serves as a channel for signals between the brain and the rest of the body. A. Brain, B. Body, C. Neurons, or letter D. Spinal cord. The correct answer, letter D. Spinal cord. What does the autonomic nervous system control? A. Body transmission of scents, B. Involuntary actions like heartbeat, C. Signals carried throughout the body, or letter D. Voluntary actions like walking. The correct answer, letter B. Involuntary actions like heartbeat. What are nerve signals? A. Flashing red lights, B. Large flashing green lights, C. Electrical impulses, or letter D. Type of hormones. The correct answer, letter C. Electrical impulses. What are the main parts of the nervous system? A. Arteries, veins, capillaries, B. Brain, spinal cord, and nerves, letter C. Hands, feet, tongue, or letter D. Nose, toes, and tongues. The correct answer, letter B. Brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Which part of the brain helps keep your balance so you don't just fall or stumble while walking? A. Cerebellum, B. Medulla oblongata, C. Pituitary gland, or letter D. Spinal cord. The correct answer, letter A. Cerebellum. Which of the following is true about central nervous system? A. It can be classified as somatic and autonomic nervous system. B. It is composed of the brain and the spinal cord. C. It is composed of the brain, spinal cord, and hormones. Or letter D. It is composed of cranial and spinal nerves. The correct answer, letter B. It is composed of brain and spinal cord. You felt hungry because you haven't eaten your food for lunch trying to finish homeworks. Which of the following is the best response to the given stimulus? A. Continue work, B. Eat, C. Ignore the situation, or letter D. Shout out loud. The correct answer, letter A. Continue work. 40. Instructions from the brain to the target organs is carried by blank. A. Receptors, B. Nerves, C. Sense organs, or letter D. Hormones. The correct answer, letter B. Nerves. It refers to the state reached when each part of the body functions in equilibrium with other parts. A. Feedback, B. Homeostasis, C. Impulse, or letter D. Unstable. The correct answer, B. Homeostasis. 42. Which nervous system controls the internal organs? A. Autonomic, B. Central, C. Peripheral, D. Somatic. The correct answer, letter A. Autonomic. 43. The hypothalamus connects the two systems, blank and blank. A. Cardiovascular, urinary, B. Circulatory, nervous, letter C. Nervous, endocrine, or letter D. Nervous, respiratory. The correct answer, letter C. Nervous and endocrine. What part of a neuron carries the impulse toward the cell body? A. Axon, A. Axon, B. Cell body, C. Dendrite, or letter D. Nucleus. The correct answer, C. Dendrite. The following is true about synapse. First statement. A connection between a neuron and another neuron. The site of transmission is of electric nerve impulses between neurons, an automatic response to a stimulus, It is considered as a control system of the body. A. 1 only, B. 1 and 2 only, C. 1, 2, 3, or letter D. 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct answer, letter B. 1 and 2 only. Which molecule carries a copy of the genetic information out of the nucleus? A. Amino acid mRNA, B. mRNA, C. rRNA, or letter D. tRNA. The correct answer, letter B. mRNA. What do you call the sequence of the 3 bases in mRNA that corresponds to an amino acid? A. Amino acid, B. Anticodon, C. Code, letter D. Codon. The correct answer, codon. What do you call the sequence of 3 bases in tRNA that corresponds to an amino acids? A. Amino acid, B. Anticodon, C. Code, letter D. Codon. The correct answer, anticodon. Where does transcription take place? A. Golgi bodies, B. Mitochondria, C. Nucleus, D. Ribosome. The correct answer, nucleus. Which of the following is directly involved in translation phase of protein synthesis? A. Cytoplasm, B. Mitochondria, C. Nucleus, D. Ribosome. The correct answer, ribosome. Which of the following is carried by the transfer RNA or the tRNA? A. Amino acid, B. DNA, C. Nucleic acid, letter D. Ribosome. The correct answer, amino acid. Which of the following is not a part of protein synthesis? A. Elongation, B. Replication, C. Transcription, D. Translation. The correct answer, okay, replication. In the RNA molecule, which nitrogen base is found in place of thymine? A. Cytosine, B. Guanine, C. Thymine, D. Uracil. The correct answer, uracil. During the process of transcription, which of the following is produced? A. ATP, B. DNA, C. H2O, D. mRNA. The correct answer, D. mRNA. If the DNA template reads ATA, which of the following would be the corresponding mRNA codon? A. ATA, B. TUT, C. UAU, D. UCU. The correct answer, C. UAU. 56. The genetic code is based upon the reading of how many bases at a time? A1, B2, 3C, D4. The correct answer, letter C, 3. Amino acids are held together by blank bonds. A. Hydrogen, B. Ionic, C. High energy, letter D. Peptide. The correct answer, letter D. Peptide. How many codons are needed to specify 3 amino acids? A3, B6, C9, D12. The correct answer, A3. Which of the following is similarity between DNA and messenger RNA molecules? They are both contain blank. A. Uracil, B. Double-stranded polymers, C. Phosphates, letter D. The same sugar. The correct answer, C. Phosphates. Events that take place during the synthesis of a specific protein are listed below. A. Messenger RNA attaches to a ribosome. B. DNA serves as a template for the production of RNA. C. Transfer RNA bonds to a specific codon. D. Amino acids are bonded together. E. RNA exits from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. The correct order of events is blank. A. BEACD, B. DAECB, C. BCEDA, D. CBAED. The correct answer? Alright, BEACD, letter A. What are the DNA complementary bases of the following? ATC, GTG, CCC. A. AUG, CAC, GGG. Letter B. Letter C. Or letter D. The correct answer? Letter A. What do you call the change in the gene due to damage or being copied incorrectly? A. Evolution, B. Meiosis, C. Mutation, letter D. Segregation. The correct answer, letter C. Mutation. What is a collective term for agents of mutations? A. GMOs, B. Mutagens, C. Mutants, or letter D. Transgenic. The correct answer, mutagens. Which of the following is not a mutagen? A. Alcohol and drugs, B. Cigarette smoke, C. Radiation, D. Vitamins. The correct answer, vitamins. The original strand of DNA looks like this: ACG, TCT, CGA. The mutated strands looks like this: ACG, TCT, ACGA. What type of mutation is this? A. Deletion, B. Framework mutation, C. Insertion, or letter D. Nonsense mutation. The correct answer, insertion. What do you call the point mutation that changes a codon specifying an amino acid into a stop codon? A. Deletion mutation, B. Frameshift mutation, C. Missense mutations, or letter D. Nonsense mutation. The correct answer, nonsense mutation. Changing the codon from AGC to AGA represents a blank mutation. A. Deletion, B. Frameshift, C. Missense, D. Nonsense. The correct answer, missense. 68. Which of the following describes a frameshift mutation? A. Introduces a section of amino acids not normally found. It joins two different proteins. It removes part of the protein. D. It replaces one amino acid with another. The correct answer, C. It removes part of the protein. Gene mutation occurs at the time of blank. A. Cell division, B. DNA repair, C. DNA replication, D. RNA transcription. The correct answer, C. DNA replication. Point mutation involves blank. A. A change in single base pair, B. Deletion, C. Duplication, D. Insertion. The correct answer, A. Change in single base pair. What type of point mutation results in a frameshift mutation? A. Deletion, B. Insertion, C. Substitution, D. Both A and B. The correct answer, D. Both A and B. Which is not a type of substitution mutation? A. Conservation, B. Missense, C. Nonsense, D. Silent. The correct answer, conservation. Which is a stop codon? A. UAG, B. UCC, C. UUC, D. All of the above. The correct answer, UAG. Sickle cell anemia is a disease that affects red blood cells. This is a result of a mutation called blank. A. Deletion, B. Insertion, C. Nonsense mutation, D. Substitution. The correct answer, D. Substitution. Cystic fibrosis, or CF, is a recessive inherited disorder that is associated with thick, sticky mucus in the lungs and trouble breathing, salty sweat, infertility in certain individuals, and a shortened life expectancy. This is the result of a mutation called blank. A. Deletion, B. Insertion, C. Nonsense mutation, D. Substitution. The correct answer, A. Deletion. An adaptation promotes blank. A. Chance to survive, B. Chance to reproduce, C. Chance to survive and reproduce, D. None of the above. The correct answer, C. Chance to survive and reproduce. Used to determine if an organism is new. The criterion used to determine if an organism is a new species is based on blank. A. Time, B. Geography, C. Reproduction, or letter D. Physical traits. The correct answer, letter C. Reproduction. Where can most fossils be found? A. Black soil, B. Lava flows, C. Granite rock, D. Sedimentary rock. The correct answer, sedimentary rock. Vertebrate forelimbs are most likely to be discussed in blank. A. Ecology, B. Embryology, C. biogeography, or letter D, comparative anatomy? The correct answer? D, comparative anatomy. Which of the following statements does not describe Darwin's theory of natural selection? A. The members of a population of the organisms will strive. B. Populations tend to replicate in minimal numbers. C. Members of a population have genetic differences. Or letter D. Some members of A inhabitants have adaptive behaviors. The correct answer, letter B. Populations tend to replicate in minimal numbers. The following statements describe evolution except A. Evolution is continuous. B. Evolution refers to a change. C. The world is stable and unchanging. Or letter D. The mutation causes evolution only when it becomes heritable. The correct answer, letter C. The world is stable and unchanging. All of these are true about fossils except A. They specify the life that has had history. B. They are evidence of the ancients' life. Letter C. The older fossils may look like less than the modern-day species. Or letter D. They look precisely like modern-day species regardless of their age. The correct answer? Letter D. 83. Which of the following describes indirect evidence for evolution? A. It is observed or seen. B. It involves actual observations. C. It is something that does not involve actual observation of evolution, but for which we can infer that evolution has taken place. Or letter D. None of the above. The correct answer? Letter C. In what era do the oldest fossils locate? A. Mesozoic. B. Cenozoic. C. Paleozoic. D. Precambrian. The correct answer? D. Precambrian. What best defines homologous structures? A. Structures are similar in origin and structure. They evolved to fit the animal's way of life. B. Structure in different organisms that serve the same function. They show no evolutionary relationship between organisms. Letter C. Structure that functions and later on disappear. Or letter D. All of the above. The correct answer? Letter A. 86. Natural selection sees that A. Nature selects the variations within a species that are most useful for survival. B. Fitness gives organisms the ability to survive but not to produce fertile offspring. C. A change in a species occurs over time. And letter D. All of the above. The correct answer? Alright, so that's letter A. 87. Which of the following statements best describes the theory of natural selection? A. Developed characteristics of parents can be passed on to offspring. B. Organisms develop necessary structures to survive in a given environment. Letter C. Organs that are not used may fade, while organs that are constantly utilized may develop. Or letter D. In nature, the organism with necessary characteristics may survive, while those with weaker traits may not. The correct answer? Letter D. The most obvious evidence for evolution from a common ancestor is blank. A. Similar embryological structures. B. Similar DNA sequences. C. Similar body structures. Or letter D. Similar fossils. The correct answer? Letter B. What does it mean by direct indication or evidence for evolution? A. It consists of observations of actual evolutions. It does not involve direct observations of the evolution. Letter C. It is something that is not observed or seen. Or letter D. None of the above. The correct answer? Letter A. Which idea best describes the theory of evolution? A. Earth is comparatively young. B. Each organism is specially shaped. B. Or letter C. Species are related by common ancestry. Or letter D. It is a mix of fossils indicates that a local catastrophe occurred. The correct answer? Alright, letter C. Species are related by common ancestry.